Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and today I'm here to show you how to install the new sequential tail lights that we have for the 6th Gen Camaro. Now these tail lights, as you can see, are offered both in a red and a clear finish, both offering a bright brake light in red LEDs. The reverse light is a bright white LED as well. Installation is fairly easy on these. They're going to go right back into the factory location using the factory hardware and the factory plug. Now let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, now here we are on the back side of the car. First thing we're going to want to do, we're going to go ahead and want to open the trunk, and then we're going to start by removing this panel right here with these 3 push pin rivets. All right guys, now here we are in the trunk of the car. Now what we're going to need to do is go ahead and take this carpet liner and pull it back a little bit, exposing the 3 bolts that are holding the tail light in place. So we'll go ahead and start by removing this plastic push pin. And then we'll pull the carpet back. All right guys, now that we have our carpet pulled back, we'll go ahead and start by removing the 3 nuts that we have right here. They're 8mm, so we'll go ahead and take our wrench and remove those. All right guys, now that we have the 3 nuts removed from the backside, what we can go ahead and do is take the tail light and remove it from the body. At this point, you will need to kind of give it a nice little tug to remove it from the clips that are holding it on the inside there. Once it's removed, we'll pull it back far enough, and that'll expose the connector. This red locking tab, we will have to push back. Then from there, we can push the pin and remove the connector. Then we can remove the connector harness from the tail light here. All right guys, now at this point we can take our new tail light, we can go and take the connector, plug it right back into the factory harness, reinserting that red locking tab back in place. Now at this point, what you want to pay attention to is if you want the sequential function to operate or not. Leaving this harness disconnected will have the sequential function operational. Plugging it in will give you a non-sequential tail light. So we'll go ahead and take our harness, tuck it back, make sure we're not pinching any wires, and we'll go ahead and put it back in the factory location. Now that our tail light is in place, we're going to go ahead and put the nuts back on the backside, connecting the tail light to the body, and we'll go ahead and reinstall the cover. All right guys, now that we have the cover installed, we're going to go ahead and repeat the process on the other side and finish out our install.